Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Superchic Lacquer Pheromone and I'm going to stamp on this one. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Pheromone by Superchic, and I'm telling you, these are the craziest bling-tastic hollows I own. They're insane. They could totally be one coaters. They stamp. They're just insane. I'm going to cap my little teeny free edge here real quick. Didn't take long. Ta-da! And then I am going to go in for a second coat because I'm just that kind of person. I do normally use 2 coats. Every once in a while I'll use 1. We'll see. You know. I'm going to top it with the Mavril Liquid Micro Top Coat by Superchic. And seal this one in. Then we're going to do some stamping. Yes. So there we go. Get that little free edge. So happy to have a little bit of an edge. It's nice. Look at that bling. I'll be using L020 Braves Diva on the black. And my cube stamper and Maniology scraper. Now I believe this is like a Harunouta plate. I'm not sure. But I've seen ones like this before on like Born Pretty and AliExpress. So I'm just going to pull different images from all over this plate. It's a bunch of different paisley images. And just get them to all work together. So I got that one stamped, and there was enough left of that stamp that I'm going to recycle it over here on my pinky. I'm going to go in and add a little bit more to it. See, you can do that. I love it when you can repurpose and recycle things. And here we go. We're going to get in here and do this one. And do a save on that one too. Looky there. I love it when it works out like that. I am cleaning this plate with pure acetone and wiping it with a paper towel. And now I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess stamp and polish. It's coming up really easy because I did put on some lotion before I did this. I'll go in with my cleanup brush real quick and just tidy up just a little bit. I'll be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat over this, stamping so that it don't smear. And then once it's totally dry, I'll be using Moonshine Manis. Let's go. Well, I really enjoyed how this one turned out. I had fun wearing it. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.